Jai Vigyan, dear student. In last session, we had learned about how to draw line, how to draw a circle, or we can say how to construct a circle, how to draw a line segment with the help of compass, with the help of scale. We had also learned about how to draw perpendicular. Now, in this session, we are going to learn how to draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. How to draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Now first let us understood what is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means a line segment which divides the other line segment in two equal part. मतलब अगर ये एक लाइन सेगमेंट है उस पर अगर आप परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करते हो तो दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड विल बी equal. That is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, now let us see how to construct a perpendicular bisector. So for perpendicular bisector, first we need a line segment. So let us draw one line segment. Let us say let us draw one line segment of, we can say 8 centimeter. Okay, let us draw one line segment AB of 8 centimeter. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector to this line segment. Now let us see how to draw the perpendicular bisector to this line segment. Now to draw the perpendicular bisector we have to use a compass. First, let us from center C and radius more than half of this line segment. C and radius more than half of this line segment. Let us draw one arc here and one arc here, that is on both the side of line segment. Now with the same radius and center A, draw another arc that is here and here. Now let us name these two arcs, that is here it is P and here it is Q, and when we join this line segment PQ, so now PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. Again I am repeat, first you have to draw the one line segment, then with the help of your compass center B and radius more than half of this, more than half. Okay, यहाँ पे एक आर्क खींचना है, एक आर्क यहाँ पे, यानी कि दोनों साइड हमें एक एक आर्क खींचना है. फिर सेम रेडियस सेम रहेगा और एक आर्क यहाँ पे खींचना है, एक आर्क यहाँ पे खींचना है. इन दोनों आर्क को नाम दे देना है. नाउ पी क्यू इज, वी कैन से पी क्यू, लाइन सेगमेंट पी क्यू इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. अगर ये O पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, then if we measure, we can see here, see ये भी 4 सेंटीमीटर है, ये भी 4 सेंटीमीटर है. It means it is perpendicular bisector. Thus I told कि AO is equal to OB. Here we can say AO is equal to OB. दोनों सेम होंगे. क्यों सेम होंगे? क्योंकि PQ is perpendicular bisector. Now let us see exercise 14.3. Let us see exercise 14.3 in that question number 1. Question number 1 is here that draw a line segment AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means we have to draw it perpendicular bisector. So first we will draw the line segment AB of 7.3, that is from here we will draw it from here to 7.3, means here this is the line segment AB. We can write, name it AB. This line segment you have to draw in a center, क्योंकि हमें दोनों और आर्क खींचना है, इसलिए ये लाइन सेगमेंट हम सेंटर में ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ with the help of compass, as I told, हमने अभी एग्जाम्पल में किया ऐसे था, रेडियस मोर देन हाफ. एक इधर आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे, एक आर्क इधर ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन अगेन विथ A as a center and same radius we will draw arc on both the side which intersect each other. Let it name. This will be arc C and this will be arc D. Now we have to join this C to D. Here let us join C to D. Let it intersect at point P. So here we can say that line segment CD is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Line CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Here AB was given. AB is equal to 7.3 centimeter. It was given. So we can say that CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 2, the same way you have to do. Just drawing a line segment of 9.5 centimeter and then draw the perpendicular bisector. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is draw the perpendicular bisector of XY whose length is 10.3 centimeter. First we have to draw the XY of length. XY is equal to 10.3 centimeter. XY is equal to length 10.3 centimeter. Now let us first draw XY is equal to 10.3 centimeter. So in center we will draw line segment XY, which is, we can say 10.3 centimeter, means from here 1 point and 10.3 centimeter, that is here. Between these two, this is our line XY 10.3 centimeter. Now again with the help of compass, let us radius more than half, center Y, radius more than half, we can draw one arc here and one arc here like this, one arc here and one arc here. On both the sides we can draw arc like this. Then with same radius and center X and same radius we can draw this. Now this is our perpendicular bisector. We can say this is the perpendicular bisector to line segment XY. Now here it is given that take any point P on the bisector drawn, examine whether Px is equal to Py. So we have to take a point on this. Let's take point P here, point P. Now we have to see whether Px is equal to Py. So first we need to draw Px like this, Px. Then we need also draw Py like this, Py. Now we have to see whether Px is equal to Py. So here Py is, we can see it is 6.4. In the same way Px is also equal to 6.4. So we can say yes, Px is equal to Py. So we can write here that yes, Px, that is line segment Px, is equal to line segment Py. Now in the same way, if M is the midpoint of xy, if M is the midpoint of xy, what can you say about the length mx and xy? If M is the midpoint, here repeat M, so mx and xy, so we can say that here B xy is equal to twice of mx, क्योंकि ये अगर मिड पॉइंट है, दिस बोथ आर इक्वल, सो mx is equal to line segment xy is twice of mx, मतलब mx उसका डबल हो जाएगा. Now question number 4, 5 that you have to do by yourself. Let us see question number 8. In question number 8 it is given that first we have to see, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, draw any two of its chord, construct the perpendicular bisector of this chord. Where do they meet? First we have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then we have to draw two of its chord and then we have to see that where do they meet, वो कहाँ पे meet करते हैं. तो first of all we will take a point, एक point ले लेंगे जहाँ पर हम circle draw करना चाहते हैं. Let us take one point. This is one point. Now we have to take the radius 4 centimeter. So with the help of scale and compass we will take radius 4 centimeter. This is our radius 4 centimeter. Now with this radius we need to draw a circle like this. ये हो गया हमारा circle. Now we have to draw a chord to a circle. Any two chord we have to draw. Let us draw one chord here. This is one chord. Let it name A, B. Let's another chord we need to draw. Let it draw here. इसका नाम देंगे हम suppose C and D. ये टू chord है. अब हमें पूछा गया है कि then कंस्ट्रक्ट द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस chord. अब इनके परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर हमें करने हैं. तो सेम जैसे हमने लाइन सेगमेंट के किए थे, रेडियस मोर देन हाफ एंड वी विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क हियर, one arc here. In the same way from here also, from A also we need to draw one arc here and one arc here. Then we need to draw one perpendicular bisector like this. That is, this is our perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Then the same way we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD also. That is radius more than half. We need to draw one chord here and one here. That is on both the side. Then from here again we need to draw one arc here and one arc here, and then we need to join this 2 point where the arc intersect this two. So now here what we got, that it intersect at the center of the circle. So we can say that here the question asked is where do they meet. So we can say that they meet at the center of circle. So we can say that they meet at center of the circle. Now question number 9 also you have to do by yourself. So here we end our exercise 14.5. This exercise you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.